Hey there friends, Karla here. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel today. I am back with another organizing and storage video. Today I'm going to share how I organize my 12x12 sticker sheets. So this cute little album that I purchased from Michael's is how I've been storing my 12x12 sticker sheets. And honestly, I have no idea why this idea did not come to me before, because these albums are made for 12x12 scrapbook paper. It never occurred to me that I could store my 12x12 sticker sheets. Like this really cute one that I just picked up at PlannerCon. This actually came in a class packet for a traveler's notebook class that I took through Simple Stories Carpe Diem. And they gave us some other papers and little embellishments about the Reset Girl. And this really beautiful sticker sheet. I can't wait to use this. I'm super excited. And this will work perfect in my new album. So I purchased this album recently at Michael's, probably within the last month or so. And I think it was maybe $5 or $6. It was 70 or 75% off. So this is the sale when they have the Hot Buy paper pads, and they usually have some cards that you can decorate, and they usually have albums. And oftentimes everything kind of goes together. I noticed they also had a paper pad sheet that went with this cute little girl and her bicycle in Paris. I'm also using one of these little hairbands that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. And these you can usually get about 4 in a package for $1, so they're only like a quarter each. So you can easily organize your sticker sheets for under about $7. So as I mentioned before, you can put chipboard sheets in here as well as sticker sheets. So this is just a thin sticker sheet that I actually picked up at the dollar store. This was not at Dollar Tree, it was at a California Dollar. They had a couple of these October afternoon sticker sheets. And for $1 I thought I probably won't use every sticker on them, but I love the cute little retro furniture and TV. So I thought I'm sure I'll get some use out of it. And then this is one that I had quite a long time with my Valentine things. And I haven't been using it because I haven't been able to really see it. So I thought one great thing about putting this album together is that I'll actually be able to see what I have and be able to use it. Here's a cute little pair of glasses that I use. This one's all reading, so I thought that was really cute. This one's a travel one that I got at Hobby Lobby. I also was able to put in these, which are a little bit smaller. These I think I picked up many years ago at Archivers. These are some 6x12 sticker sheets, and they fit in here pretty nicely too. It's just nice to be able to flip through and see what you actually have. What I really love about this system is, well, it's really inexpensive. Like I said, I probably was able to do this for under $7. It's really cute because you can, you know, choose your own album, whatever you think is really cute or matches with your craft room. Would be just adorable to like keep out on one of your work tables. It's easy to see what I have. Like I can just flip through here and easily see what's in my stash. These are little cutouts on a 12x12 sheet that are kind of perforated, and I thought I would put those in there too because they're also 12x12. It's super easy to store this on a shelf. I don't really have a craft room right now, but it's really easy when, you know, it's only maybe 1.25 inches or 1.5 inches wide. Super easy to store this, so it takes up very little space. I would definitely recommend this if you live, you know, in a smaller space like I do and you don't have a ton of space to store all your crafty things. It's a great way to keep everything really organized, easy to find, and it doesn't take up a lot of space. This album that I purchased at Michael's actually comes with 25 pages. So you can see I've got a lot left over here in the back. I don't foresee that I'll fill up this album, but I guess you never know. I haven't really been purchasing many of these larger 12x12 stickers. But like I said, I just got this one at PlannerCon that just made its way into my life. I love it. I think it's so cute with the little planner and scissors and the cute little birds. So I'm super excited to use this. So, you know, here and there, I'll probably, you know, find one that I think is cute and want to buy it. And now I have a place to store it, so I know that I can see it and it will get used. So that's it today for my storage and organizing video. I hope you found this helpful. Like I said, I couldn't believe that it never really occurred to me that a 12 by 12 album would be a great place to store these stickers. I used to just sort of keep them in a pile in a box, and I just wasn't looking at them and I didn't really know what I had. So this is really great because it's easy to flip through. I hope you found this helpful. If you like storage and organizing videos and you are a crafty girl like I am, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you soon. Have a great week, friends. Bye.